Hey guys, let's take a look at the 1195 Kershaw Interstellar. We've got a 2.7 inch blade, 8CR13 MOV blade steel. We've got a black oxide black wash coating on here. It's a tanto blade shape with serrations on half the blade. This knife overall, really good for everyday utility tasks. We've got black glass filled nylon handle scales on the front and the back, really nice texture on that back panel. We also have black wash steel liners underneath to give both a good weight in hand and also that rigidity that you're going to want in your handle. It opens very similarly to the 1190 capsule with this sliding button here. Also, it locks on that. It gives you really secure lockup for that blade. Again, really good for your everyday utility type tasks. We even put a little bit of texture on that steel button to give you a really good grip when you're opening and closing the knife. We also have a deep carry pocket clip on the back, as well as a steel backspacer that runs all the way along the perimeter of this knife, giving you that good solid feel in hand. And it has a bottle opener at the end as well. A little bit of multifunction there. It's a Kershaw original design. That's the 1195 Interstellar.